Hi guys, welcome to the Towards Mission segment.
Today we're going to be looking back at some of the students who have brought out their cultural attires for UWC Day. Okay, who am I here with today?
Isadora. Ariana.
2K.
I'm Sakura.
What culture are your attires representing?
Brazil. Spain.
I'm wearing Burmese culture paso.
I'm from Japan, so this is a Japanese yukata.
Is there any special occasion that you would wear these attires for?
Probably just to a football game.
Yeah, me too, when I'm supporting my country in sports.
There's not really a specific event that you wear this for. It's for everyday leisure.
I wear these for summer festivals in Japan. Yeah.
And how do you guys feel being able to wear this on UWC Day?
I feel very represented and part of the community.
Yeah, it feels good. I like sharing my culture with the people around me.
I'm excited to wear this along with other Burmese people, so I feel great.
I feel very happy because the last time I wore this was a few years ago, so it's very nice to be in this.
We're so happy to see so many different cultures being proudly displayed by our students.
And a great diversity of our school cohort. Thanks for watching.
See you next time.
Hi everyone, welcome back to The Greatest Show Alive, Dragons TV. This weekend, our students participated in the South Asia Wide Interschool Maths Competition. And guess what? UWC East Dragons secured the championship last year. Speaking of maths competitions, I hope all you math-obsessed people out there signed up for the American Maths Olympiad, AMO, as the sign-ups closed last Friday. Enough talk about maths. Let's move on to sports for now. The new Dragon Sports kits have been released, and our new segment called eSports will tell you more about that.
Hi guys, so what is your overall impression of the new Dragon Sports kit?
I think the overall impression is already really good. It's really nice and it feels really comfortable, and it's also really good in Singapore's climate as it's really hot.
I think the design is really nice, and I love New Balance, so I'm really excited that we got to collaborate with them.
So, hi Will, do you like the new design compared to the old one?
Yeah, I think the new design on the new kit is really nice. The fit is a lot better. The color, it's a lot more comfortable and very breathable when I'm playing sports.
Yeah, wow, it looks pretty breathable. So how comfortable is the new kit to wear during sports activities?
So I have the football one and the vest, and I think they're a lot better than the previous one because it's a lot less thick, and I think the quality is a lot better than before.
For me personally, I have the rugby one, and yeah, like Rose said, the quality is very nice, and when we run around in the heat of Singapore, we wear the Dragons with pride, and it makes it easier to play.
Are there any specific features of the kit you particularly like?
Yeah, I like the design on the football kit. It's very nice, like the gold and the green. It's it has a nice contrast, and I feel pride when wearing it.
I particularly like because it's really thin, and if you sweat, it will dry really fast.
Oh yeah, don't forget to go get the new Dragon socks in the cottage shop. They're nice and thick and very comfortable to wear.
And the new Dragons hoodie when it comes out, get it in the college shop.
Boom! Thank you guys.
Make sure to purchase the sports kits before they sell out. Next, 100 Seconds with Lincoln.
And I have 6 cats. If I could, I'd have all the cats. How many cats is too many cats? There's no such number.
Hi, it's Lincoln, and today I'm going to talk about why cats don't die when they fall really far. So most people know that cats are practically immune to taking fall damage, which makes them the ultimate Fortnite player. But seriously, if you drop a cat from the roof of our school and let it fall to the ground, it just lands normally. Don't try this though. But cats have been known to drop up to 20 stories and land virtually unharmed, except for a few scratches. But why does this happen? There are multiple theories and reasonings for why cats usually survive high falls that would be fatal to other animals. The first of which is cat reflexes. When falling from a height, they instinctively twist their bodies and right themselves using their high sense of balance. In addition to this cat righting reflex, their small bodies, light bone structure, and thick fur decrease the speed at which they are traveling at, which of course will result in a lower chance of injury. Another reason is that cats reflexively land on their bellies instead of their paws. This is because after a long fall, landing on their paws could be very painful and dangerous. Just think about it. Landing on your limbs could result in broken bones, serious injury, or both. And let's be honest, I don't think cats are interested in indulging in self-harm. To summarize everything, the main reason cats don't get injuries after falling from heights is largely due to their natural reflexes, instincts, and possibly dark magic. Thanks for watching 100 Seconds, and we'll see you next time. Rest in power, jewels.
Last but not least, we have birthdays. Back to Imogen. Hi everyone, welcome back to Birthday Shoutouts. Hope you all had a great weekend. Let's go straight into the birthdays in October. We have 15 birthdays in October, starting with Joanna 91, Lesia 8A, Isai 7B, Shivani 7I, AJ 8B, Neil in 10R, Ivy 7A, Ashvik 6A, Lily 8E, Mila in 6G, and final two, Stella 10H and Ben 10S1. Thank you for submitting your birthdays to the form. If you or a friend have an upcoming birthday or you want your birthday to be mentioned in the next video, scan the QR code on the screen right now and write your name down. See you next time on the Birthday Shoutouts. Happy birthday to all of those mentioned.
Hello and welcome back to the weather.
Say goodbye to the hot sunny days and hello to the cold rainy days.
This week it will be a high of 31 and a low of 25.
And this week we're super lucky as there are no earthquakes, no blizzards, and no hurricanes. But somehow, still no snow.
Okay. Anyway, see you on the next one.
That concludes today's episode. So, see you next time on Dragons TV.